Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and those of you that are new, welcome to Debos Nation. I got a good one for you today. We're going to break up some Sovcit videos, and I found a lawyer here by the name of Michael DeSharo. His YouTube channel name is NYC Law Guy, so New York City Law Guy. He's an established lawyer, but he's relatively new to YouTube. He only has 169 subscribers, as you can see. So if you could head over to his channel, subscribe to him, tell him Debos Nation sent you, and I'll try and get him on the show here for an interview. So please, without further ado, let's take a look.
No. All right, sit down, please, sir.
Just Key.
Pardon?
Just Key.
Just which?
Key. I'm here to correct a mistake by the court and by the state.
Well, first of all,
If the court has made a mistake,
are you Wilfred Keith Thompson?
no, that's not what I normally go by, no.
Can I see the information?
Petition affidavit in terms of person legally speaking, sir. I've tried to clarify this a few times, but apparently the level of the topic.
So your name is Keith Thompson?
My name is Keith. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less.
And this is where the standoff starts. Any thoughts on who might win?
You don't have a last name, sir?
I have a family name, clan name, but that's irrelevant today.
So you are not Wilfred Keith Thompson?
Okay, one more time on and for the record, I am Keith. Nothing more.
And sit down, sir. I'm looking for a Wilfred Keith Thompson. Please sit down, sir.
Actually,
Please sit down, sir.
sorry, can't do that. I served into the court this morning.
Sir, I'm looking for a Wilfred Keith Thompson. You are not that
This is
person. Sit down, sir.
Bailiff,
Please remove this gentleman from the courtroom.
Thank you.
No, don't like that.
That's the person you're looking for.
Please,
sir, that is the person. I'm trying to remedy things. Touch me and you will be tried. I'm a peace officer. You want to dishonor a court official?
The defendant's on the bailiff's desk.
Sir, are you here on behalf of Mr. Thompson?
I said I was the administrator to that account.
Are you here as agent for
Could you
him?
guys please back up? Thanks.
Are you here as agent for him?
Not as agent, as administrator, much like you are administrator of this court.
Sir, you're either him or you're here as his agent to
As his
speak on his
administrator.
behalf. Are you either of those?
Yeah, it's lawful.
Pardon?
Yeah, he's in common law jurisdiction, which I established as soon as I came in here this morning and reestablished again. The bailiff understood me. This other bailiff, wherever she went, she understood me as well. I am the law! And this gentleman doesn't like talking.
We're going to take a recess. Thank you.
Thank you. All rise.
How long?
How long, sir? I don't have all day, thank you. I have things to do.
We'll take the court.
Yeah, actually,
This court will recess.
please note that the judge has abandoned the court. It's abandoned ship, and I, as the sovereign in this room, claim authority, case dismissed, with cause and prejudice. Have a nice day. See you later.
Loser.
That's what it's saying.
Okay, that's a little clip of a Sovreign Citizen, and we've seen many clips like this before, but let's take a look at what an actual lawyer might say about the actual legalities of this issue. Here is Mike DeSharo.
This is Michael
It's the
DeSharo,
New York
Law
City Law
Talk.
Guy.
I wanted to make this post because I did it on TikTok. Let me be very clear. There is no legal basis to become a sovereign citizen, state national, American national, however you want to codify this. If you are in the United States, if you're on American land, you are subject to the laws of that county, state, and federal government. There is no way to be in a country and be sovereign from its laws. There is a way legally to give up your American citizenship, and it involves going to another country, going to the consulate, and following that procedure. After which, when you give up your American citizenship, you can no longer come back. But the idea that you can live in this country and not have to live under its laws while at the same time benefiting from its laws is simply legally impossible. No matter what the videos you see, no matter what procedures you see, the United States is not a corporation. It is a nation, a sovereign nation, and its citizens are subject to its laws, whether they like it or not, and its responsibilities and its benefits. So anybody who's trying to sell you anything that says that you can send a letter to the sheriff saying I'm not a citizen, or you can send a letter to based on the Uniform Commercial Code or maritime law, which has no application in criminal courts. And if you want a clear example of how a state sovereign miserably failed, Google Darrell Brooks, see how it worked out for him.
I love it when a plan comes together.
Oh.
What's your name? My name is Stephen. I'm here under common law jurisdiction, exercising my rights.
Excuse me, sir. Let's get something straight. We're not here under common law. We're under here a statutory provision. That's all I can hear.
Is this Admiralty law, sir?
This is not Admiralty law.
What courtroom are we in? Is this a courtroom?
This is a hearing room.
Are you a lawful judge?
I'm
Are you a lawful judge?
Son of a bitch, Paul, why didn't you just go home? That's your home! Are you too good for your home? Answer me!
administrative hearing officer employed, not employed, but contracted with D470. Please be seated. Are you Stephen Johnson?
I am the authorized representative.
Are you an attorney? Either you're Stephen Johnson or we're not having a hearing, sir.
I'm the authorized representative.
There's no such a thing as an authorized representative. Either you're Mr. Johnson or you're not.
I'm not Mr. Johnson. I'm here as an authorized representative of the legal entity, Mr. Johnson.
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. May God have mercy on your soul.
You're an attorney.
I don't have to answer that question.
Yes, you do.
Am I obligated?
Unless you answer that question, I'm not conducting a hearing.
I'm here in honor, sir. Trying to stay in honor.
Either you're Mr. Johnson or you're not Mr. Johnson. If you're not Mr. Johnson,
I am the legal.
you can't be a legal representative
Yes,
of
I
Mr.
can.
Johnson.
I'm the authorized representative
The only representative we don't
of the
have
legal entity, which
is
was.
such thing as a person, Mr. Johnson.
I am a living being. The Mr. Johnson is a corporation.
This is,
I'm not a corporation, sir. I'm a living being.
and so is Mr. Johnson.
No, sir.
Well, since Mr. Johnson doesn't appear, I'm going to enter defaults in this.
No, I am here. I am here as an authorized representative and in honor of that legal entity. You can't. I'm here trying to resolve the matter, sir.
Sir,
Are you a lawful judge? You're not here to.
Don't interrupt him. He is a judge.
I'm sorry. I was just trying to clarify.
Let me
That's all.
start. I'm going to start.
What the hell did he say? I call bullshit on all of this stuff that he's saying. God.
This hearing, and then we'll get to deal with it. Good afternoon. My name is Richard McManus. I am an independent hearing officer who will conduct your hearing this afternoon. We are here today for a hearing concerning alleged violations of the Colorado Public Highway Authority law as it pertains to the E-470 Public Highway Authority. I want to explain what we're going to do this afternoon. First, you need to know that you may not record this hearing either by audio or video recording. Do you understand that? Do you understand that?
Sir.
Well, of course he does not understand that. It's too simple of a question. He doesn't understand anything.
You're not audio video this hearing today. You understand that?
I have the right to.
You don't have any right to do anything about recording.
I have a constitutional right, do I not? Does the Constitution does not apply in this courtroom? Is that what you're saying?
Sir, you just tell me you can't do
I must break you.
video record this thing. So if you have anything that's recording this hearing, turn it off at this point. Do you understand that?
I believe I'm exercising my rights, sir.
You don't have a right to record this hearing. Do you understand?
No, sir.
Second, you need to know that I have no authority to suspend or modify any proposed toll, fee, cost, or penalty. Do you understand that?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I'd like to exercise my right to remain silent.
This is not a criminal proceeding. You do not have that right.
I don't have any rights.
You have the right to be represented at this hearing by an attorney. You're Mr. Johnson, that's what you have a right. If you're not an attorney, you can't represent him. You recording this?
I'm sorry?
Are you recording this?
No, I just have the right to exercise my rights. Do I not, sir?
You have all the rights that you have as a citizen of the United States.
If I was a citizen, I'm a natural person, not a citizen. That's a 14th Amendment created entity used. Are you familiar with Black's Law, sir?
Black's Law is not law in the United States of America.
Are you here
I'm
on...
not familiar with all the laws, sir. If you are not Mr. Johnson, we're not going to have a hearing on this matter.
I'm the authorized representative of that.
You are not an authorized representative, sir. Now, unless you want to comply with the terms and conditions I set forth here, we're not going to have a hearing.
Well, I'm here in honor as the authorized representative of the legal entity, Stephen Eugene Johnson. There is no Mr. If you put Mr. in front of anything in accordance to Black's Law Dictionary, it is a corporation.
Black's Law is not a law. I've said it before and I'll say it again.
Mr. Johnson, Stephen E. period Johnson is a corporation. Stephen Eugene Johnson in all capital letters is a corporation. Anything in all capital letters is a corporation. I'm just explaining the law, sir. I thought you knew it.
I reject that. I'll explain the law to you.
Okay.
You're not a lawyer, so I don't accept anything that you say. Now, unless you admit to being Stephen D. Johnson, we're not having this hearing.
I do not do such. I am the legal entity. My name is Stephen. My name is Stephen of the Johnson family. I am not the corporation. I'm not going to enter myself into joinder. No, sir.
We need to ask you some questions, okay?
Could you stop that? Please? Stop that!
You can do whatever you want, but I'm going to enter a judgment against you, which can be enforced in the courts of the state of Colorado.
Well, I guess you're going to have to do that.
Hearings concluded.
Then I can get to the right courtroom.
The court will render a default judgment on all of the violations since Mr. Johnson
I'm here,
does not appear.
Stephen Johnson,
You say you're representative of Mr. Johnson.
of the legal entity. That's right.
Wrong, 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 wrong. Wrong, 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 wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong.
Default judgments are due.
Default judgment. I'll be in court. When do I go? Do I know? Am I going to be notified?
Appealist judgment to the county court in which the various tolls were.
What county is this? Is this state or is this?
These are in Douglas, Adam, and Arapahoe County.
There are 3 different counties.
Okay.
You can appeal it within 30 days of today's case closed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
So that's person.
Free to go. Now I got a court hearing or lawful.
Well, this is a pretty hot topic, but that's how they act in court, and they hardly ever win. I don't know why they do this stuff, because you really can't do it today. I mean, you got to follow the laws. And we're going to take a look at another hot topic, and that's searches. So I'm going to take a look at one of Michael DeShario's video. He's the New York City law guy. We're going to take a look at one of his videos and what he has to say about dogs searching a car. So let's get to it.
Welcome to Real Law Talk. Check out Rodriguez v. the United States. I got a million questions about a police drug sniffing dog. So Rodriguez was driving down the road, pulled him over. He made a traffic infraction. The cop gave him a warning for the traffic infraction. Then said, "Do you mind if I search your car?" Rodriguez says, "No, I do not consent to you searching my car." Then they brought the dog over and they searched the car anyway. It goes all the way up to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court says, no, once the traffic stop was over, there was no reasonable suspicion for the cop to search Rodriguez's car. Go look at the case. It's very interesting. And that's what happens. One of the most important things about this case is that Mr. Rodriguez said, "I don't consent." Police use traffic stops for two reasons. One, they generate revenue for tickets for the municipality, which a lot of municipalities really need. And two, it allows them opportunity to search the car, a lot of times based on consent. The old line is, "You mind if I, you don't have any bazookas in here, do you? Do you mind if I search your car?" No. For the one of the funniest reasons that I give people is they don't have to put your stuff back. There's nothing in the law that says a police officer has to pull the stuff back in your car. I have nothing in my car, but I don't want you digging in it. That's Real Law Talk.
Well, that's going to do it for this portion of the video. And now don't forget, it's Debo Shorts time, so let's get ready to relax and laugh. Enjoy.
Oi.
Holy shit!
Oh, boy, I feel like a horse's patoot.
Who fall? Stop messing with him.
Oh my goodness. Can somebody tell my dog to stop throwing her ball in here?
What do you think?
Mama! Don't you let me there?
Komm schnell. Guck mal.
Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you. Okay.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Hi. Hi, baby.
Reggie, don't eat him.
You're so clever! Oh!
That you had you could you do you would.
Good boy.
Oh!
All right, well, that's just about going to do it for today. And I just want to take the time right now to have a little shout out to Queen Bee for introducing me to New York City law guy, Michael DeShario. I think it's something that we all wanted to do. We all wanted to see a lawyer break down this stuff, and this is really good. And I'm going to use him a little bit more in the channel. So yeah, again, if you want to go and sub to him, please go on his channel, sub to him, and tell him Debo sent you. And we're going to start doing some lives on our second channel, Queen Bee and I. She's my co-host. So we got some good things coming up. So with that being said, please share, like, and subscribe. And Debo's out.